What is Reggie's name? Reggie, the TG of the Youth League. He established a company called Mabala Noise for music. Then they take all the celebrities. You know, Reggie gave each artist he registered under Mabala not less than 5 million each. Where does Reggie get the money from? No journalist has ever asked that treasurer of the Youth League. He brought Chris Brown in Durban during Durban July, paid Chris Brown 10 million. And he never made back that 10 million. Why? Because they were launching that Mabala Noise so that Mabala Noise can go and capture the celebrities in the name of them being registered under a progressive company called Mabala Noise. Then they take the Mabala Noise celebrities into the ANC events. Not a single artist of Mabala Noise. You must go and investigate Mabala Noise. Not and all artists that are registered by Mabala Noise, from Ricky Rick, Major League, all of them. Not a single artist registered under Mabala Noise received less than 5 million. If they think I'm talking nonsense, they must sue me. Then the suing process will give them an opportunity to produce how much they paid those artists. That's why I challenge them here. So Mabala Noise is owned by the treasurer of the Youth League. The treasurer of the Youth League goes under the pretext of registering artists of this company. Then they take that company artist into the ANC events. Where does Reggie make money? Reggie makes money from water and sanitation because he's got some special kind of a relationship with Nomvula Mkwenyane. Nomvula likes them young. Now, that's how Reggie became a favorite of Nomvula Mkwenyane and then received water tenders, sanitation tenders as a favorite. Now they're taking the water money through Mabala Noise as it is music. No, they take money through Reggie. It's a scheme, it's racketeering. It's money laundering. Reggie goes bid for water and sanitation. Then they give Reggie money for water and sanitation. He takes the money, he puts it in the Mabala Noise. Then the Mabala Noise goes and pay the artist to go and do the debut for the ANC. 5 million each. Now when I say Nomvula likes them young, somebody say, hey, they are young, all those people who are working there next to Nomvula. Oh, Nomvula. It's young boys, including Jimmy Tau. We can give you a long list of young boys who are being empowered by